Good morning, everyone, especially to the chairman of the panel, Ma'am Princess Diane Paharty, and also to the member of the panel, Sir Nathaniel Bangkok II, and Sir Gentle Skilio Fortaleza, and also to our teacher advisor, Ma'am Christine Joy Ilustre. Now, introduction. Mathematics is the science of structure, order, and the relationship that flows from primitive activities of counting, measures, and describing object shape. It engages with local thinking and quantitative calculation, and as it has progressive, its subjective matter has become increasingly idealized and abstract. However, according to the research observation, several aspects that affect home-based learning in mathematics in elementary pupils during this new normal education are problem solving, teaching, tasks, and examination. All of this required intervention. Therefore, the purpose of this study is to determine the student weakness affecting to the home-based learning in mathematics of students during this new normal education. It also helps to the both parents and teachers to enhance the teaching strategies and to deliver knowledge to the students and able to acquire clear understanding about the lesson. For my practical framework, I acquired the study of Ray 2021 homeschooling, that is parental-led home-based education. Home education is an engaged old tradition educational practice that a decade ago appeared to be cutting edge and alternative, but is now bordering on mainstream. On the United States, it may be the fastest growing form of education in the United States. Home-based education has also been growth around the world with many other nations. For my conceptual framework, independent variable and dependent variable. For my independent variable, home-based learning in mathematics during new normal education. And for my dependent variable, the purpose of intervention program. Review of related literatures and study metacognitive. According to Zhang and Zhang 2020, when parents and children work together on learning activities, their bonding strengthens because they are able to spend more time together. In such situation, parents can become a source of comfort from their children by soothing their comfort and stress. They can also participate in dialogues with their children to help them cope with their nervousness. Parents should be taught how to provide emotional support to their children during times of uncertainty. Statement of the problem. Generally, this study was conducted to determine the home-based learning in elementary mathematics during new normal education. These are the specific problems of my research. Number one, what is the demographic profile of the respondents in terms of age, grade, and gender? Number two, what is the effect of home-based learning in mathematics during new normal education among elementary students in terms of problem solving, instruction, tasks, examination? Number three, what is intervention program should be taken based on results of the study? Now, let's proceed to the significance of the study metacognitive. School administration to determine either the home learning in mathematics has an impact to the new normal education of Canedo Elementary School pupils, as well as to provide intervention program and to guide both teachers on how to acquire knowledge from the lesson. Second is the teachers. To monitor neither the students gain additional knowledge and what's the gap between current situation or performance. Number three is the parents. The result will them to monitor their child about the problem should need to enhance in the curriculum. And the last is a future researcher. To serve as a basis of conducting further research related to the study. For the scope and delimitation, this study will be the 30 elementary pupils, 10 pupils from grade 4, another 10 pupils from grade 5, and 10 pupils from grade 6 of Canedo Elementary School at Purok Masagana, Sitio Canedo, Barangay Teresita, Santo Niño, South Cotabato. For the selected participants, the researcher will be used descriptive evaluative. This research will be conducted to determine the effect of new normal education to the mathematics learning of the students. Definition of terms: metacognitive. Home-based learning is an educational process where parents or tutors teaching children at home instead of having their formal educated in a public or private school setting. Second is new normal education. Its flexibility enables individuals to learn at their own pace as, as they prepare for their future. It is fit in time of the COVID-19 pandemic as it ensures that learners will be able to continue their educational journey at home. And the third is intervention program. It is a treatment method used by the mental health community and utilized in a number of ways to better situation of individuals who have become dependent on various substance of activities. Methodology. The chapter 3 includes the methods and procedures of the researchers made. It consists of 6 parts: research design, research local, research respondent, and sampling technique, research instrument, data gathering procedure, and statistical treatment. Research design. The study utilized the descriptive evaluative design to describe the process and the impact of the development and implementation of the system. The findings are often contextualized within the implementation environment, such as for our purpose, the specific education place. Descriptive evaluation utilizes a variety of qualitative and quantitative data collection and analysis methods, and the study designs and apply a range of assumptions from the positive or interverse perspective to a critical theory and realism. Research local. The research was conducted at Canedo Elementary School. The school is located in Purok Masagana, Sitio Canedo, Barangay Teresita, Santo Niño, South Cotabato. For the research respondents and sampling technique, the respondent is the researcher study where the 30 pupils from grade 4, 5, and 6 who were actively involved in home-based and elementary mathematics for the chosen school. The pupils are enrolled in Canedo Elementary School, school year 2021-2022. The researcher used random sampling technique in getting their numbers of respondents. For statistical treatment, the following statistical tools were used to interpret the raw of data to determine the home-based learning and elementary mathematics during new normal education. Frequency count and weighted mean was used to calculate an appropriate sample size from a population to strengthen the validity of the research. And the last part is the research instrument. The researcher adapted the questionnaire to the Minnesota Parent Center as the main tool in gathering data. The questionnaire dealt with the home-based learning and elementary mathematics during new normal education, basis for intervention program. Attached with my papers is my research instrument. Please see at the back page of my paper. Thank you.